Guys, hello again. So we have changed the plan right now. We have to go to another site which is very local from here, and it is about 5 kilometers from Kalinga, and we are visiting a place called Raifada, I think, and there is a waterfall, a very beautiful waterfall is there, small but very beautiful, and we are heading to there. So stay connected with us. Let's go man.
Yes.
We are still moving, we don't know the way.
Just answer.
आंटी वाटरफॉल कोठी अछि वाटरफॉल हमरो झरणाटा आज्ञा ए तले अछि रास्ता अछि कि भीतर को हां 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 ठीक है धन्यवाद आज्ञा ए पटे झरणा अछि हां तो केते दूर हबो एटो उटे 2 किलोमीटर गला परे हां
ଲେଖା ଥିବ ଆପଣ ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖାରେ ଜଳପ୍ରପାତ ଲେଖା ଥିବ
अच्छा
କୁର୍ମିଙ୍ଗା ଜଳପ୍ରପାତ ଲେଖା ଥିବ
हाँ ठीक है हो ठीक है धन्यवाद. So guys, we asked the locals here and they suggested us to go another 2 kilometers, and there we will be coming across the waterfall, Kurminga waterfall, a waterfall in the district hall. What happened, sir? Ring is not applying properly. Okay. So it's so beautiful place. You just see the beautiful place of Kandhamal district. You know about Kandhamal district. This is the land of the Kandha tribes. You know about the Kandha people. They are still living in the primitive age. You will be surprised to know that these are the people whom time had forgotten. I can say that way also. They are still living a very primitive and traditional life even today, and this is the place of the Kandhaj people. But however, there has been some changes with time being, with passage of time. You just see the view here. We came to Kandhamal district and it's so beautiful. Equally mesmerizing. You can see the dazzling beauty everywhere. You can find the gorgeous nature, beautifully decorated everywhere in the district of Kandhamal as well. It's a quite forested district in Odisha. Most of the land covered with forest in the Kandhamal district. We are very soon approaching the Kurminga waterfall, a small one but very beautiful. It's just about 2 or 3 kilometers from here. We entered into a very desolate land. This is very terrible everywhere. We are in the deep forest and it is quite terrible road, I can show. Oh my god, it's so terrible road, and we have to go more 2 kilometers this way. Oh man, be careful. If it get punctured, then we will both die.
It won't get punctured, but get ready to fall
The
down.
Kandha tribal will take us away. They are very much cannibal also. I'm terribly afraid
Why?
this bike may get punctured.
No, you won't get
Guys,
punctured.
you just see.
It
You
won't
will
get-
love to go on such kind of terrible journey. It's indeed an expedition. This is the right word for this kind of journey. This is not a journey simply, it's an expedition. You just imagine how terrible. Everywhere there is forest and there is a very short muddy way. You can find a kacha road here, and we are traveling ahead to reach the waterfall. I will definitely bath, man. I will love to do so. Oh my god, it's so rocky terrain. It's rocky. Oh my god, it's not at all possible to ride. We two people are not able to go on the scooty. I don't suppose we are able to go to the destination. I don't suppose, man, we are not able to go there. So guys, you can see The road is under construction, and it is quite rocky terrain everywhere, and very terrible everywhere. You can see it's a jungle, deep jungle, and the road is not so good. So I'm not afraid of the forest. I myself from a forested areas and I don't care. But the thing is, I'm very much concerned about my bike. If that get punctured, then we will have to meet an unpleasant feelings. The journey will be completely unpleasant. That man is not at all afraid of. He himself is a forest man. The tree dweller, I think. No, I'm sorry, he's not a tree dweller. But he's from Nagaland and he has experienced such kind of land. He's very much habituated, accustomed to this kind of landforms. So he's enjoying a lot, discovering the beautiful things all around. I'm still walking alone. That man is going on scooty. So it's so terrible because I'm afraid all the time of my bike, whether it will get punctured or what. Because we have already come to the middle of the forest and we have no option. And this is what the journey we expected earlier. It is indeed a forest trek. A scooty biking. Guys, let's discover the place. We reached the destination. That is, what is the place, sir? Kurmunga waterfall. You see the landscape. How does it look? It's so terrible, man. I'm just rushing because of the steepness of the terrain. Whoa. We are just going down more than 300 or 200 feet already. We have come down, but not yet met the water. Guys, just see the beautiful sound. Just hear and sense the beautiful sound. You can find the calmness, how calm and pleasant it is. It's so nice. Hey man, what? It's so terrible. If I show you this way, we have already covered up 100 or 200 feet. We don't have time as well. It's 3:40 now. We'll just see half an hour. I will just take a bath. Then I will go back. Oh my God. It's so wonderful. Huh? It's very stiff and we should be very careful. Man, I will not able to come up.
Okay, we just stay in waterfall.
Can you pick up me?
Yes, why not? Don't worry about it.
Man, I don't believe whom I have come up. I came up with a wild creature. And he's so daring and so daring. This man is doing some very terrible work. I just feel like man versus wild. And my company, my partner is so terrible man. He is a lover of adventure. He has shown very wild, very natural. You just see, guys. Just see. Oh my God. Oh my God. How long we have. Oh my God. Is it current, sir? The beauty of this place has really attracted, and we are just coming down. Again, a current ki? Dhariya pai? This is to support the tourist. Guys, seriously, I'm advising, please don't come. If you are not stable enough, you are not robust and strong enough, you should not come here. Oh my God. Hey man, how longer we have to go? ଜଣେ ଜଣେ ଯାଇ ହେବ କି? ଆଉ କେତେ ଦୂର ଆସିଲା?
ଏପଟେ ଯାଉନ୍ତୁ ଏପଟେ।
ଯାଇ ହେବ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ସେ ଆସ ବାଲାନ୍ସ ମୋବାଇଲ ଥୋଇ ନିଅ।
हाँ सर। Guys, it's the place. You can just see the beautiful place here. The waterfall is there. That is just flowing into as a pool. Hey! This wild social animal is moving everywhere. Oh my God! What you are doing? It's so risky, man. I can find some tourists again there. They're enjoying the powerful stream as well as the calmness and beautiful nature. So dear guys, you can sense a kind of power as well as a kind of calmness here. The roaring of the stream, the roaring of the waterfall will never ever disturb you. It's just a dream for you. It's just a dream. It's so nice. You just see the forested areas. You just see the mountain. How wonderful it is. I'm just here and enjoying. I'm just enthralled. Oh my God. This is the place, a kind of dreamland. Wait. It's so beautiful. Coming down, man, coming down. Wow. Actually, I'm very tired. Dekho, man, you will be responsible if there be any unfortunate. We have come down 300 feet.
Jump. Take a video. Yes.
No. Hey, bhai, you see this wild creature, what he's doing? My friend has turned very naughty. So guys, we came to the tremendous waterfall of Kurmanga. It's so splendid, very wonderful and beautiful. See the beautiful nature. See the place, how beautiful it is. I feel like I'm the king of the wild forest. It's so mesmerizing, so beautiful. Oh man, it's so steep. It's just a narrow stream in between the passage of two mountains, two hills. It's just like a small valley you can see. Hey man, look here. Lot of nature lovers have come here. They have thrown into and taking the beauty of the site. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Just see the site, how beautiful it is. Friends, it indeed a very enticing journey over here. My leg is still shivering out of joy, not out of fear. It's still shivering. I'm very much happy, very much elated, gazing on all the beautiful sight here. It's so splendid. It's so splendid. It's so beautiful. Very limited number of people have come because it's very difficult for people to reach here. It can take 2 hours to cover up only 3 kilometer distance. My friend entered into the gorge. It's so beautiful. The stream has just plunged into the rocky surface, just like a beautiful pool. You can find a confused mixture of powerful roaring and uproar sound of this place. At the same time, a beauty, calmness, pleasant. It's just calm in your dreamy. It can drive you into a dreamy land. Just see guys how wonderful this is. Hey man. No, I will not go. No. Guys, the waterfall is so noisy, but it will not at all affect your mental stability. It's just so superb. It will just heal your mind. It will just give a kind of refreshment. It's so amazing, beautiful. You can find the evil sticky smell out there. You can find the sticky smell out there. It's so evil. At the same time, the water is just like nectar, just like beautiful. It's so amazing everywhere. Now some youngster came here just to see the beauty of this place. It's so amazing. A lot of people are coming. However, it is so daring, so challenging to get this place. I'm just resting for some time. I'm quite restless. My friend is out. Hey buddy, where you are? Hey man! This man is still discovering something there. Hey man, what you are doing? Just come up. The water there is very dark, very sticky, and the water that is coming down, you can find a touch of nectar there. It's so sweet, so beautiful. But here, the stone here are giving some evil smell here, but that thing is quite different. The sound is very twinkling. It's just like music. It's giving a kind of melodious sound, just superb everywhere. Very soon a flock of tourists now came up and they are enjoying still now. It's so terrible, but people are enjoying a lot. This man is quite tired after long mountain trekking. We had go down to the stream, which was about 300 feet depth of the plateaus. Hey my God, you just what I'm doing here. I'm completely tired. And if something unfortunate happened, this man will be responsible. Therefore, I'm taking the picture, taking the video here. I'm quite tired.
Come on.
The mountain man is guiding me. You see how the muscle man is going ahead of me. Oh! We have already got wetted because of sweat. Wow! Go man! Go! I'm very much tired, man. I need an energy drink. I'm not able to speak any word also. It's so terrible, man. Just to say my masculine nature. I just participated with you. Very restless, very much tired. And whoa! Guys, I'm taking a pause. This is not at all any kind of acting. This is the real experience I'm having here. It's so terrible. It was the original mountain trekking, forest trekking. This man has gone far more ahead of me. Hey man, I'm lagging behind. You just wait me.
Wait.
It's so terrible. Oh guys, I cannot take picture. Yeah, you you doing? Hey! This man is enjoying a lot. मेरा तो 12 बज गया यार. मुझे 12 बज गया है. I'm so much. अरे 12 बज गया in Sambalpuri I'm telling. That means my हालत.
Just take my video phone. Upstairs.
Go. I'm taking the video. Enjoying, yeah. Do man, carry on. See how well this man is playing. I'm very much tired. This man is enjoying a lot. I'm very much jealous. How fit, how robust you are, man.
Me too, I'm getting tired now.
Now the forest man, the mountain man also very much exhausted. Not only tired, he has become exhausted. He can no longer go on trekking. Okay, we are approaching nearer to our bike parking. Another more 2 kilometers we have to walk, man. You will. Oh man! So whenever I'm saying मेरा 12 बज गया, then that man is mockingly telling me मेरा 11 बज गया है. 12 बज गया का मतलब in Sambalpuri I'm exhausted. I'm very much tired. Okay. You know, working men become very tired after 12 p.m. na? 12 a.m. Sorry, p.m. So therefore it is called 12 बज गया. Continue to walk. हम still working कर रहे हैं. और मैं अभी इंग्लिश भी भूल जा रहा हूँ. मुझे इंग्लिश भी नहीं आ रहा है. Yeah, here we come. We will sit for some time. See the mountain man. He is completely tired like me. Your muscle will not work here.
Yeah.
That's all about your the stamina. Stamina, you know, tolerant capability. I am also a very natural man. I am from Western Odisha. I am quite like the tribal people. Tribal people just at a distance of 5 kilometers. And I am very much acquainted with the way of living. I am very able. I am like a Kandha tribal. So guys, with this we completed our mountain trekking. And dear friends, if you like our adventurous journey, then please do connect with us.
Yes.
And sometime follow us, stay connected, and discover this kind of wild adventure. Meet my friend always with me. He's very adventurous fellow, very stable and robust young man. Okay, bye. Say partner.
Bye.
Bye. See you
See you in the next vlog.
next vlogs. See you guys in the another episode. Bye. Tata. Take care till then.